Today, I'm traveling in a Kenworth motorhome, and honestly, it's absolutely amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Imagine traveling down an endless highway where your vehicle is no longer just a means of transportation, but a statement of power, luxury, and absolute freedom. A place where every mile feels like home and every destination is chosen by you. This is no longer a distant dream. In 2026, that vision comes to life with the extraordinary Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome, a creation that redefines what it means to travel in style. Welcome to a world where the road becomes your way of life. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome is not simply a vehicle. It is a revolution that combines legendary strength with unmatched comfort, transforming every journey into an unforgettable experience. Stay with us until the end. The name Kenworth T-2000 already carries a powerful legacy on American highways. Known for its dominance, reliability, and commanding presence, it has now been transformed into a true luxury motorhome that turns heads wherever it goes. From the outside, the design is breathtaking. A long, elegant front, a shining chrome grille, modern LED headlights, and a perfectly sculpted aerodynamic body give it a majestic and confident stance on the asphalt. As you step inside, you immediately realize this is no ordinary truck. This is a world built for comfort and prestige. Polished wooden floors reflect soft ambient lighting, while premium leather seats invite you to relax in total luxury. A next-generation intelligent control system places the entire motorhome at your fingertips, making every function simple and intuitive. The interior space is surprisingly vast. With side panels that extend at the touch of a button, the cabin transforms into a grand living room. Plush sofas face an impressive 8K entertainment screen, accompanied by a powerful surround sound system that turns every journey into a cinematic experience. Whether on the move or parked, every moment feels immersive and refined. The kitchen is truly a chef's dream. Touch-controlled cooking surfaces, a large smart refrigerator, a built-in coffee machine, and elegant Italian marble countertops create a space that is as functional as it is luxurious. The dining table, crafted from natural wood, can instantly transform into a workspace or study area, adapting to your needs with flawless precision. The bedroom delivers an unmatched level of comfort and tranquility. A king-size bed with advanced temperature control keeps you perfectly warm in winter and refreshingly cool in summer. Fully soundproofed walls ensure complete rest, even while the vehicle is in motion. Beside the bed, a digital control panel allows you to adjust lighting, temperature, and windows effortlessly. The bathroom rivals that of a five-star hotel suite. It features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors that display the weather or news, making even daily routines feel indulgent. Every detail has been designed to elevate comfort and convenience. When it comes to performance, Kenworth makes no compromises. The T-2000 is powered by a next-generation turbo-diesel hybrid engine, delivering impressive power alongside excellent fuel efficiency. An advanced air suspension system ensures an ultra-smooth ride, regardless of the terrain. Safety is equally advanced. With autonomous driving assistance, lane-keeping technology, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, every journey feels secure and stress-free. Technology takes center stage as the entire system operates with artificial intelligence. Voice commands allow you to control lighting, temperature, and energy consumption effortlessly. Solar panels on the roof make the motorhome eco-friendly and self-sufficient, while satellite internet ensures you stay connected even in the most remote locations. At the rear, a compact garage provides space for a motorcycle or an electric car. And above all, the roof expands into a luxurious lounge or a jacuzzi, perfect for relaxing under the stars. What truly sets the Kenworth T-2000 apart is its philosophy. It represents limitless freedom. In 2026, Kenworth proves that the line between home and vehicle no longer exists. This motorhome is not just a machine. It is a dream brought to life,